government, ministry officials here present, UNICEF country representative, Ms. Leili Moshiri, DFID representative, Ms. Lane McDonald, representatives from other development partners, various media houses, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to officiate at the release of the 2019 Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey results. It is now on our calendar that we carry out a mix after every 5 years. The previous one having been carried out in 2014. The mix are conducted under the auspices of the Zimbabwe United Nations Development Assistance Framework, ZUNDA, jointly coordinated by Office of the President and Cabinet and the UN Resident Coordinator. ZIMSTAT was chosen as the implementing partner with technical assistance from the United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF, among other development partners. Consequently, ZIMSTAT carried the mix during the period January to April this year, 2019, and today we are gathered here to release the results. As alluded to earlier, ZUNDA provides the context under which the mix 2019 was carried out. The 2016 to 2020 ZUNDA focuses on recovery and development issues, including growth and sustainable development, and offers opportunities to establish effective partnerships and to reinforce collaboration and joint programming between the government of Zimbabwe and the UN agencies through 6 priority areas. The ZUNDA 6 national priority areas are food and nutrition security, gender equality, HIV and AIDS, poverty reduction and value addition, public administration and governance, as well as social services and protection. Most of these priority areas are covered in the 2019 mix. In addition, MIX provides critical data to monitor government programs, such as the Transitional Stabilization Program, running from October 2018 to December 2020. The Transitional Stabilization Program focuses on stabilizing the macroeconomy and the financial sector, introducing necessary policy and institutional reforms to transform to a private sector-led growth economy, addressing infrastructure gaps, launching quick wins to stimulate economic growth. From the mix conducted in 2019, neonatal, infant, and under 5 mortality rates for the 5-year period preceding the survey were 32 deaths per 1,000 live births. This is the neonatal. For infant, the survey shows that we had 47 deaths per 1,000 live births. For the under 5s, the survey shows that we had 65 deaths per 1,000 live births. The maternal mortality ratio for the 7 years preceding the survey was 462 deaths per 100,000 live births in Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, more results will be given by my colleagues in the presentation that will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, ZIMSTAT, as the implementing partner of MIX 2019, would like to express its heartfelt gratitude to government ministries and departments, the UN and its agencies, especially UNICEF and UNFPA, in collaboration with EU, DFID, and the Swedish Embassy for their invaluable contributions to the success of the survey. I would like to thank members of the steering and technical committees for spearheading the survey. Special thanks also go to ZIMSTAT staff whose commitment and dedication to duty for this and various other surveys and censuses have enabled the agency to produce timely data for evidence-based policy formulation, program monitoring, and evaluation. Finally, a deep sense of gratitude to the respondents, for without their cooperation, ZIMSTAT would not be able to produce any statistical products. And to you, the media team, I thank you for coming and hope that you widely disseminate the findings to all the users for the betterment of our nation. I thank you. Tenda hii ni hapo